Hi there, so I recently got the JBL 460 because many said it's cheaper and better than the Sony 510s, which I reviewed a couple of weeks ago, so I thought let's bring these two together and compare them. If you'd like to see the Sony 510 unboxing and review video, you can click the card up here. I'll also leave the link in the description. I'm making the same video in Hindi. If you'd like to see that, you'll find the link in the description too. So let's begin, but before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So I bought blue color so that they look similar while comparing, though the color shouldn't matter. So let's start with the build quality. Both headphones are plastic build. Build design is very similar. You can see the wire passing between the headphones on both. JBL branding here, Sony branding on these. The JBL headphones swirl and fold, which makes it far more portable compared to the Sony headphones, which don't fold but only swirl. Let's check out the buttons on both. Starting with the Sony headphones. On the right ear cup, you see there are 3 physical buttons. The center one is to turn off or answer calls. The side ones are volume up and down. Here is the mic, LED light and the USB-C charging port. Moving to the JBL headphones. On the right ear cup, same button setup. Center one is play pause or answer the call and the side ones are volume up and down. JBL has a separate power on off button along with mic and LED light. There is a micro USB charging port on the top of the ear cup which is hidden when you're wearing the headphones. Pretty neat. Charging port on Sony is USB-C and it also supports quick charge. JBL has a micro USB charging port which is comparatively slower. No 3.5 headphone jack on either, which means you can't use these if the battery is depleted. Let's check the fit. JBL headphones held on really well. They get a good grip on your ears. They are on the ear headphones and definitely feel a lot tighter. Good for those in the gym or need headphones while running. Let's check out the Sony headphones. Well, they definitely feel heavier, but not much. I'm assuming it's because of the bigger battery. Fit too is very comfortable. When it comes to the fit, I would say both are almost similar. Coming to the sound quality. So I've been using the Sony 510s for a while and they're quite good. Well balanced output, soft bass with good clean sound. Perfect for those on long flights. JBL on the other hand is a little heavy on the bass. Bass heads will definitely love their sound profile. Bass is stronger but not as clean as you get from the Sony headphones. The JBLs sound more dynamic while the Sony headphones sound more richer. Both get really loud. The JBL headphones suffer from sound bleed when you're playing them at high volumes. Sony comparatively is far lesser. Here deciding a winner is impossible. Everyone has a preference. Some like bass and loud, some like soft and clear. Make your pick. Moving to the battery. Well, this is where the JBL doesn't stand a chance. 11 hours on JBL and 35 hours on Sony. The Sony comes with USB-C quick charge where you get 90 minutes of music playback with just 10 minutes of charge. The JBL headphones charge slower compared to the Sony 510s. In the battery department, Sony is a clear winner. Used both for phone calls and they did a decent job. Indoors no problem, but outdoors the JBL headphones collected a lot of ambient sound, making it difficult for the opposite person to hear me. Sony comparatively was far better. You can enable Siri or Google Voice Assistant from the Sony headphones, which is very helpful to make calls, to receive calls, to search for content directly from your headphones. No voice assistant feature on the JBL 460s. So finally, how do they stack up against each other? Well, the JBL 460 headphones are available for $2,199, while the Sony 510s are priced at $3,500. There is a huge price difference and that's for a reason. 3 times long battery life, quick charge, USB-C and balanced clear sound quality, which is ideal for those long flights. But if you prefer strong bass, lighter headphones and you're tight on a budget, then the JBL 460s are really good. The JBLs are available in 3 colors, black, blue and white, while the Sony 510s are available in 2 colors, blue and black. I'll leave the links for both in the description. If you like to buy one, do check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback. Also, if there are any questions, do mention them down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.